In this video I will be showing you how to add and edit bays in your calendar. Bays are the columns in the calendar that you can allocate jobs to. Here you can see we have MOT, servicing, and tires. To add a bay, go to Config at the bottom left of your screen. Then click here where it says View Bays. To add a new bay, click the Add Bay button. To create your new bay, we need to give it a name. For example, if you want a bay that specifically fits van tires, we could name it Van Tires. You then need to select a bay type. There are three options: Standard, MOT and Van. For this example, we will select Van Tires. Click Create Bay to save your changes. You can see here that your new bay has been created. To edit a bay, click the pen and paper icon here. You can change the name and bay type. If you don't want this bay to show on your calendar, you can archive it by ticking this box. Once you have finished your changes, click the Save button. Here you can see your new bay has been added to your calendar.